This is a bit of an unusual one. This is a knockoff mini Lego set. This came from Wish, so it's come from China. And it's called the Diamond Blocks Cartoon Doll series, and it's the Titanic. I don't know how that's a cartoon doll. So this was like 12 quid including postage, and it comes in like thousands of tiny Lego bits, so much smaller than Lego. The instructions are not quite as detailed as a Lego book, so basically it gives you each layer, and then you build up layer, one after the other. It's quite complicated, and you end up with Titanic and an iceberg. It doesn't look like the bags come in any sort of order as far as numbering, so I'm going to have to sort it all out. I'm not going to show the building, but I will show sort of steps along the way, and then we'll see what it looks like when it's finished. Okay, so I've been sorting all the bits out, and the cat's been helping me, so there's bits all under the settee. It's worth doing on this one because you'd never find anything otherwise. Usually I like rooting about and finding the bits. I've done the first layer, give you an idea of how big this is going to be. So that's my hand, there's a can. So it's quite a big one. The base plates are quite warped, so it'll be interesting to see whether this comes out, but we'll crack on. Okay, so I've got the third layer on, so 2 layers of red, 1 layer of black. Starting to look good. Well, finally finished it. It was thoroughly enjoyable to make, even though it was very fiddly. But it went together really well. I thought it would be one of those that falls apart as you're trying to do it, but the mini Lego clipped together really nicely, much better than the UK kits. And I think it makes a nice model. It's very big, as you can see. That's my hand compared to it. Loads of detail. You got the iceberg, and then the Titanic itself, all the windows. Yep, really nice kit. I think, like I say, 12 quid including postage from Wish, well worth the money. Might see if they got any other kits. What do you think, Maggie? See, it wasn't an iceberg that sank the Titanic. It was a massive pussycat. Catzilla. Wow. She did help with it. She liked flicking little bits about. But thanks for watching. If you want to see more of these, I'll try and get some off Wish. Please like and subscribe. It helps the channel out. And I'll see you again next time. Thanks then. Bye.